It is almost 6:40 in the morning. Almost 6:40. Hear that engine? There we go. The city of Lexington, Kentucky has a quiet hours ordinance that prohibits this kind of noise before 7 a.m. This is, I don't know, fourth month in a row they've repeatedly done this. I've submitted multiple complaints, but Lexington doesn't care. I love the sound of a buzzsaw or whatever the hell that is in the morning. That's totally acceptable. Lexington thinks this is fine. Lexington thinks this is a totally okay thing to do to people who are trying to sleep at 6 in the morning. They started this at 6:03, by the way. That's when I first heard their bobcat reversing, and it woke me up. And now I can't sleep because it's next door. Do you see it over there? Do you see that house being built? That's the construction site, right next to it and across the street. Way to go, Lexington. I wish I didn't live here.